we are going to be removing and replacing the CMOS battery in our computer. CMOS stands for complementary metal oxide semiconductor, and it's used by the motherboard to help it store settings for the BIOS. In this computer, the CMOS battery is underneath the hard drive and hard drive tray, so we will be removing those first. Underneath we can see the CMOS battery here. And to remove it, I always find it easier to use a plastic pry tool. It's important to use plastic and not metal because metal could short it out. To remove it, we want to push back on a metal clip that's holding the battery in place. And the battery pops right out. To replace it, we want to make sure this plus side is facing up. We slide the battery in opposite of the clip, and then we push it down until it clicks. We can now replace our hard drive.